A good air compressor is essential for anyone who drives a car, motorcycle, Jeep, or truck. There are different types of air compressors for Jeep. Selecting the best air compressors for Jeep among so many models can be difficult. That's where we can help you. You will learn authentic information about the 5 best air compressors for Jeep in 2023 on the market in this video. Before we jump into the review, we selected only the most effective air compressors for Jeep available on the market in 2023. We examined the factors that differentiate an air compressor for a Jeep from good to great, such as its quality and capabilities. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended to do. Number 1. Smittybilt 2781. Smittybilt's 2781 Universal Air Compressor is an excellent option that worked great. This air tool compressor is perfect for anyone working on projects in the garage, home, or shop. It features a 5.65 CFM motor for maximum airflow, a 39.2 psi maximum pressure, an automatic thermal cutoff switch, and a maximum continuous cycle time of 40 minutes. Smittybilt's 2781 provides 150 psi and about 5.65 CFM of airflow, similar to many other portable compressors. This product shines in terms of its duty cycle. It is capable of inflating tires on multiple vehicles, adjusting air springs, etc. It is possible to run low-power pneumatic tools for a short time even with low power with this compressor. The Smittybilt 2781 5.65 CFM Universal Air Compressor has the added convenience of being able to air up or air down tires to accommodate varied terrains. It is powered by a 1/3 horsepower oil-less direct drive motor and has a 30 amp inline fuse. It is an air supply that can be used while on the road, especially if you need it to run for longer than a few minutes before it needs to be refilled. It will provide you with car battery cables, an air hose, and a tire inflation kit. It also has a storage bag to keep it out of the elements when not in use. A Smittybilt air compressor is the most effective compression unit in its class. This is a superb option you might consider for your Jeep. Number 2. EPAuto 12V DC Portable Air Compressor Pump. EPAuto's 12V DC air compressor is perfect as a portable pump of Jeep. With its powerful 12V DC compressor pump, you can pump most car tires with ease. Also, it has built-in pressure gauges for quick tire inflation. Its design allows it to work with a wide range of vehicles. With EPAuto 12V DC Portable Air Compressor Pump, you'll be able to carry it wherever you go. EPAuto's 12V DC Portable Air Compressor Pump is a great tool for fixing flat tires on cars, trucks, and SUVs. The universal valve connector is built right into this pump, which makes it perfect for filling almost any tire. Additionally, this pump comes with multiple adapters so that you can use it for a variety of uses. With the EPAuto 12V DC Portable Air Compressor Pump, you won't have to constantly check your tire pressure. The tire pressure can change depending on the temperature, so checking your tire pressure regularly can help you avoid accidents and keep you safe. The powerful electric motor on this portable air compressor pump can inflate tires quickly, up to 10 psi. Furthermore, it comes with a flashlight, so you can easily inflate your tires at night. This portable air compressor will also save you both time and energy. There is no doubt that EPAuto 12V DC Portable Air Compressor Pump is a good option for your Jeep. Number 3. ARB CKMTP12 12V Twin Motor High Performance Portable Air Compressor. The ARB 12V air compressor is another good option for the Jeep compressor. This variant of compressors was specifically designed for heavy-duty usage and is compact enough for easy transportation and operation. It's almost unreal for a 12V compressor. Additionally, the kit includes an air tank that can be used to power other air systems if necessary. Its integrated aluminum air tank and pressure switch regulate pressure between 135 and 150 psi. That's why it is suitable for most air-powered tools. When the tank reaches 135 psi to 150 psi, the compressor stops and does not restart until the pressure falls below 130 psi. With only that pressure, you can inflate tires quickly, tie air lockers easily, and do a lot of other things. This impressive machine is also equipped with a high-performing cooling fan that helps with maintaining a 100% duty cycle. A 6-meter air hose and a blow gun come included with this ARB twin-motor air compressor. The ultra-compact twin-motor, dual-cylinder design makes this the highest-flowing portable compressor of its size on the market with 6.16 CFM and 4.65 CFM. The item comes with a waterproof carry case made of impact-resistant polymer that will withstand the elements. The carry case contains convenient compartments for storing the air hose and other compressor accessories. ARB CKM TP12's duct IP55 sealed brush DC cooling fan and anodized aluminum motor mounting brackets effectively dissipate heat from the motors, heads, and electronics, allowing for a 100% duty cycle. Number 4. TIREWELL 12V Tire Inflator. The TIREWELL 12V Tire Inflator RV air compressor is a good choice for your loving Jeep if you are looking for something lightweight and user-friendly. It is a lightweight, portable air compressor. It takes 2 minutes to inflate a single tire up to 80 psi. It's because small air compressors are designed to be convenient. The air compressor has a pressure rating of 150 psi and a flow rate of 2.12 CFM. It could, therefore, be used for van tires, SUVs, and truck tires. It has a very clear and well-placed pressure gauge, which makes it easier to check when the right tire pressure is being maintained. Additionally, the air compressor has a large carry handle on top for easy portability. You don't need to carry this compressor, just place it right next to the tire and jack it with the jack. For rods, enhance the fuselage and reduce the vibration and noise of the headphones, making them comfortable and superb. TIREWELL 12V Tire Inflator air compressors are made more powerful with rubber feet that ensure the air pump stays where it is placed during operation and does not move around. It is equipped with a high-quality 5M extension hose, so you can use it to clean the garbage outside of the house, wash your car, or clean your garage. This extension hose meets the needs of the long-wheelbase vehicle inflatable. Overall, TIREWELL 12V Tire Inflator provides the best service to satisfy customers. Number 5. GSPSCN Portable Air Compressor Pump. GSPSCN Portable Air Compressor Pump. Portable air compressor is perfect for a Jeep. With a max pressure of 150 psi and a flow rate of 70 liters per minute, this compressor is an ideal choice for anyone that needs a portable compressor. This portable compressor is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. Plus, it's equipped with a dual dial gauge, so you can accurately monitor your pressure. It's equipped with a handy tire repair kit, so you can easily fix a punctured or flat tire. It is designed with 3 nozzles adapters and it measures a compact 8.5-inch L, X7, H, X3, W, for bulk-free portability. The integrated air gauge will measure your tire pressure for you and will shut off automatically when your tire is at the correct pressure. The LCD display on this compressor is large and bright, making it easy to read. Plus, it's battery-powered, so you can take it with you wherever you go. This portable air compressor features a 12-volt, 150 psi maximum output. It has a maximum flow rate of 1.5 liters per minute, perfect for filling tires, air mattresses, inflatable toys, and more. Plus, it includes a 3-foot-long power cable. It features a convenient one-button operation, so you can easily inflate your tires. Get a portable air compressor perfect for cars, motorcycles, RVs, and other vehicles with GSPSCN Portable Air Compressor.